Jackie Berlin and her son Corey, the faces of a mobile billboard campaign in Washington, D.C., calling on President Biden to enforce the federal law and say no to safe injection sites. The president's own son, Hunter, having battled drug addiction.
I'm appealing to President Biden as a parent.
Berlin is a co-founder of Mothers Against Drug Addiction and Deaths. Her son Corey has been on the streets of San Francisco's Tenderloin for more than a decade, now addicted to fentanyl.
We need to put our funds into prevention, intervention, treatment, and recovery. So my call to President Biden and his administration is to not allow these drug use sites in the United States at this time.
The drug overdose crisis is killing, on average, 50 people in San Francisco every month. And some see safe injection sites as part of the solution. These are places people can go to use their drugs under supervision in case of an overdose. Lydia Branston is the executive director of the Gubbio Project.
What we know about overdose prevention sites is that when people use pre-obtained drugs in a safe consumption site or an overdose prevention site, they do not die.
Vancouver, Canada is home to the first safe injection site in North America, established nearly 20 years ago. It has overseen more than 3.5 million injections and reversed more than 6,000 overdoses. And no deaths have been reported. And despite being illegal in the United States, a nonprofit in New York City is operating 2 privately funded safe injection sites, a model San Francisco could soon follow.
We all know how to do this. We can put it up very quickly, but we want to do it correctly, right? We want to make sure that there are wraparound services, that there is access to as close as we can get to treatment on demand.
Mothers Against Drug Addiction and Deaths joining forces with nonprofits across the nation to make their message clear.
I think in the future there may be a place for safe consumption sites, but we need to build out recovery and treatment first.
But Branston says there's no time to waste.
Would it be perfect if we had everything lined up? Yes, it would. The fact that we don't should not stop us from saving lives today.